by the entire assembly recognizing Indian independence. It took us 65 years. I apologize, but now on Monday the Senate will make the proclamation, so it will be official. All the people of California. We know that the people in this, we know of the contributions that Indian Americans have made. I have Anu Natarajan, the Vice Mayor of Fremont, many members behind me and in the audience that every day make California work and America work. We all know India has the largest democracy. Now America is number 2 when it comes to the size of democracy, but we share the same values. Besides freedom, we talk about freedom, but we also share a value of justice and a value of opportunity for everybody. You folks that are here and people that are back in India, we all want opportunity for our kids and for everybody. So I'm delighted to be here. I have a small proclamation from the state legislature that, Ajay, I'd like to present to you. It's a recognition of the Organization for the Freedom Walk, and it'll be something that you can have. Jeevan. So this is, on my behalf, I'd like to present all of the organizers with it. A round of applause. And may it not be the last Freedom Walk that we have. And I have some certificates I'd like to present now with Congressman Honda and Anu Natarajan for some of the special contributions.
Thank you so much, Bob. Thank you, Mike. And so, as a mark of respect, Mike was asking what is G, and we'll call him Mike G. So as a part of, we started this tradition with the Republic Day, that we have a lot of hardworking volunteers and who dedicate their time and hours to the community. Before I continue, there's a food already here, so if you want to take food, there's food being served. So a lot of volunteers who dedicated time across different organizations. So we would like to honor them and acknowledge their work. But this list is no means the complete list. We'll continue this tradition every 6 months at the Republic Day and the India Independence Day. So we'll start with inviting Satya Dikshit. Satya has been working. I have a long list. I just kept it somewhere. But Satya has been working with various organizations. And one of the key things we know in the Bay Area is that the Sevathon he has been leading for last 3 years and bringing communities together for raising funds. So for his dedication to the community service. I would also like to invite Anna Sarkar with Women Now TV. Anna Sarkar. Anna has been putting a lot of efforts in bringing the issues related to Indo-American community, whether it's related to kids, youth, women, or around the different issues, and a lot of work around bringing the community together through Women Now TV. And so, Anna. Now, I would like to invite Rajiv Awasthi. Rajiv Awasthi has been instrumental, long before, from long time, bringing the community together and bringing the India culture and, rich heritage through many events which they have been organizing. So thank you, Rajiv. And one special award goes to a team which is so dedicated, and they've been working for underprivileged kids by organizing, art classes in various schools in Bay Area. So I would like to invite the Indus team, Ray Mitra, Sanjay Saxena, Ranna, Viren Gandhi, to accept this honor from Bob as an Indus team. So please join the Indus team. And music is something we all love. And one of my dear friend and partner at Radio Zindagi is Rohit Saini, and he has been instrumental in promoting Indian culture and through music, which is also his passion, and we know him as a great singer. I would like to invite Rohit. Now, we see a lot of this event happening very successfully. Many people have, I will be acknowledging them, have put their hands on one dedicated person with every event, whether it's for this or serving food every Sunday to homeless people in different parks, is Neil Banerjee. So Neil, could I come forward? Neil has been going every week with me and many others at different home parks to serve food to homeless, and many activities which Neil has been doing. Thank you, Neil. So with that, I would request Anu Natarajan to say a few words.
I think I've said a few words, but I'm here again to say thank you to the entire team, to the Indo-American Community Federation, to Ajay Batoria and his team of dedicated volunteers, to Satya Dikshit, to Rajiv Avasti, to all of you gathered here for putting this event together. Again, we acknowledge how many volunteers it takes to put something like this together. Just 3 days ago, we were gathered at this very same spot on a Wednesday evening, bringing the community together in the wake of what happened in Wisconsin to our Sikh brothers and sisters. And so here it is that we celebrate coming together, whether it's an occasion of joy or sorrow or hope. We grieve together, we celebrate together. And this space here was intended to do just that, bring our community together and celebrate the oneness of all of us here. So coming in the wake of that and celebrating India's freedom, celebrating two great democracies is really wonderful. So thank you all very, very much for doing this, and continued success to making this a bigger and bigger event. And on behalf of the other Indian American elected in the Bay Area, Congressman, that was I know, Councilman, soon to be someday Congressman Ash Kalra. I'd like to present this proclamation to Ajay Ji and Jeevan Ji here today. From the cities of San Jose and Fremont. And now it's back to you.
Thank you, Anu. She's so good. Thank you, everybody. And